Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix MX Player EAC3 audio format not supported. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your MX Player audio problem and you are getting the error on your screen EAC3, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to download an MX Player codec file. I will provide that download link in my description link. You can just copy paste that download link and the file will be downloaded. After downloading the file, first I will show you how to download that. Just copy paste the link. You can see after copy paste the download has been started. After completion of the download, just find where you have downloaded that file. Then go back, open your MX Player. In left side top corner you can see 3 horizontal lines. Just tap on that, scroll down a little bit, tap on settings, tap on local player setting. After that you can see a decoder. Just tap on that, scroll down a little bit. In last you can see custom codec. Just tap on that and you need to find that file where you have downloaded. You can see MX Player AI zip. This was the file. Just tap on that, then go back. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix MX Player EAC3 audio format not supported. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.